In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the CoreCam Security Camera, 100% wireless and secure to the core. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside you get the following: the CoreCam Security Camera. It supports 1080p HD quality video, heat and motion sensing, two-way audio to greet guests or warn intruders, and a built-in siren. Located at the bottom behind the rubber flap is an on-off switch, microSD card slot with a 32GB pre-installed memory card, a micro USB charging port, a reset button, and below that a mounting hole, a USB cable. Use this to charge the CoreCam. A USB power adapter, typically included with your smartphone, can be used. The mounting bracket to mount the CoreCam to a flat vertical surface. A wooden or masonry surface can be used. The bracket has an adjustable arm so you can angle the CoreCam up or down. Screws and wall plugs are included. And finally, a quick start guide and theft deterrent stickers. The included quick start guide will have an overview of the CoreCam in addition to mounting instructions and pairing. To view the CoreCam on your mobile device, download the Swann Security app. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores. Thanks for watching.